Hello there, welcome to a video of I don't know what. I've just come in from seeing clients via telephone, by the way, just pointing that one out, and I've just found this downstairs and it's mine, and it's an Artsnacks box, a Tombow special. I've already had it for this month, so I don't know what this is. Shall I open it and find out? Ooh, so I did get an email saying your Tombow box is on its way, but I didn't actually know what they meant. So I'm about to find out. So we got a little dinky one. Look, little dinky card. Oop, there we go. Tombow alcohol. Right, okay, let's put those out of the way. Bonus box. I don't know why. Did I pay for this? I don't know. What did we get? Okay, I don't know what this is. I'm English, so what is it? Oh, it looks nice. Try it later. So, this is our package. Ooh. Is that paper to use, or is it just looking pretty? I don't know. Let's open the present. Ooh. Okay. So we got a special Tombow sticker. That's so cute. And we've got HP pencil, high precision drafting. That's Tombow. So a Tombow pencil, a Tombow mono drawing pen, water-based pigment ink marker. Little dinky bullet on it. There's a 0.5. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are these? Are these alcohol? Alcohol-based ABT Pro or Apt Pro? No idea. Look, there's a brush and a chisel. There's a brush and a little chisel. They've got numbers on. They've got numbers but no names. So we've got, well, green P296, sort of maroon colour P757. A purple P636, golden yellow, we're going to call that P993, and a deep blue P565. So, a pleasant surprise for you. What are you going to do with them? And here we have Sam modelling the latest in Tombow alcohol markers and clumsily pushing the green off, and it's fine, it's back, everything's okay. And yes, you point to the page you're about to swatch on. Yes, basically I do this in the lounge, and there's a pandemic on, so there's always people in the lounge, which is I've been so behind on everything, so I basically had to just record everything else and talk about it later. It's July now. It's July. And I'm only just getting around to doing this. Now this paper, I did not like this paper. I don't know what this paper was, but it was all squishy and just swirled around on the paper. It was very strange and I didn't like it, so I didn't use it in the end. But you see me, I'm sort of swatching on both my my sketchbook and that paper. I tried it on both sides, and you know, like on marker paper, one side is you know, generally is coated, so it just moves the ink around. Both sides were like that. It's really weird. But anyway, so I ended up doing this. Ignore what was on the other side. That was me swatching something else. So anyway, I decided to draw what I want. Well, they're supposed to be fox gloves. Now, whether they end up looking like fox gloves, I don't know. But that was my aim. So that was a thing that happened. I did really like these. They are alcohol markers, which I way prefer to water-based markers. I can't get the hang of water-based markers. I don't know about you, but whenever I try them, the first swoop is fine. You go to swoop again and it starts eating up the paper. I don't know what it is. You can't seem to get that same level of, well, you can't get the flatness that you get for alcohol markers, and it just eats the paper up. I don't know what I'm doing, but I've yet to get the hang of water-based markers. I don't like them. I don't see why you'd use them. So I'm very happy they sent us these. I still don't know I haven't looked. I should look in the bank, really, shouldn't I? I've no idea if I ordered these. I don't think I did, but oh, it turned up and now I have it. Now they're mine. Anyway, so they don't really blend very well. The colours, they're very distinct, obviously. If I hadn't really looked into it, again, I think I said this in the last video I did. Sometimes things in these boxes, I really like them, so I do go and, when I can, buy more of them. These, no, I wasn't really into doing them. I saw no reason to get these over any other markers, your Hoo markers, or certainly not your Copics, or, you know, they didn't stand out to me too much. And yeah, obviously these colours, they're not blending because they're not of the same tone or colour or whatever. But still, I would have liked a bit more blending. It doesn't seem to want to. So again, this is more than likely me than the actual materials. Let's face it, I'm still learning and I'm still trying my best. But I tried, especially with this, I tried to do then a bit more of a, well, it's not abstract, but looser, but with the lining and with the colouring as well, just to try and be a bit off my own back. You know, went over the lines and the lines don't touch and things like that. So, I mean, I liked this. I like what I ended up with. I do. It's not what I would have chosen. And there is a police car outside. Is that police? Or is that... It's going away. You're all right. As long as it's going away, you're fine. I live near a park, and there's always a police car driving down, I guess, to sort of check on people, and then they drive back off again. So, yeah, you hear that quite often. I swear it's not me. It's not me. Not this time, anyway. Back to the drawing. So, yeah, I tried to do like 3 different colour variations on these little foxgloves, or certainly what was supposed to be foxgloves. They're not necessarily coloured this way, but because I got these particular colours, I think they're dual colours. I think that's what they said on the thing. I did record more of the actual card, but yeah, I lost that, but never mind. So, I mean, yeah, I'd like to get more into alcohol markers. I don't think I've got quite the hang of them yet, but I really enjoy watching other people with them, if that makes sense. So, and they see when you get the hang of them, they work really well. So that's something I'd like to try a bit more on. But yeah, I think this box, I don't know how much it was. Very odd. They do various extras. Like they do an Inktober box and a watercolour box, which I didn't get because that was expensive. That especially with shipping. That's a big box, so that's big shipping. But I did get their travel set, and I quite like that. It comes with a little case and things. So it's always worth sort of looking out on Artsnacks website to see what different things that they do, because they do extras other than just their subscription boxes, which can be useful. They also did one where you put together your own box. That was good. Yeah, I like that. Just pick a few different things and try them out. But anyway, I think we're sort of coming to the end. I hope you enjoyed this. Just a short little video to show off this random box that ended up in the mail. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!